What's going on, guys? It's been a while since we uploaded a video, just with the spring rush and the summer. There's just not enough time in the world. I just wanted to make a quick review video. We got something sent in the mail from Auxito, I believe the company's called, a tire inflator. I did already open this. I used it for the last 2 weeks just to make sure it wouldn't fall apart while I made this video. So real quick, we got this sent to us by Auxito. I guess it is a tire inflator. Check it out here. It has all the settings, which I'll show you: car inflation, bicycle, motorcycle, ball, sports balls, things like that. Digital display, 3 lights. It shows you like the current tire situation. You can charge your phone, things like that. It is a mobile power bank, so it is pretty neat. And it doesn't get hot too fast. I did have this running for like 5 minutes and it didn't heat up. Which we have a few. We have all these thrown in the trucks. They're really nice to have, just if like a mower's low or something like that. Just kind of using it on the fly, which is nice, instead of having to come back all the way to our shop and use what's that, like the big compressor. No, these are much easy. So again, opened it up. This is like the accessories box here. This is it itself. I'm doing this one-handed, so bear with me. That's that. A couple things for directions down there. So we'll go through the accessories real quick. Looks like there's like a vehicle charging port for this one. I guess you can charge it in your car. This is the top of the inflator that has to get plugged in there. A little bag. All these come with a bag. And this is the USB you have to use to charge it with. You got to get one of those cubes. And obviously the accessories for like a bicycle, sports balls, things like that. We'll turn it on real quick. There's a few buttons on the side. There's a light button here. Emergency light type thing. Plus and minus for the PSI, obviously, and the cycle button, which I'll show you which cycles the settings, and the power button. You have to hold that in. No click once, you have to hold it. So there is the settings. So I'll show you with anything that's too low. I'll show you real quick. So cycle, which is the bottom button here. There's a vehicle, bicycle, some type of motorcycle, and a sports ball. So for our mowers, the PSI is pretty low, and these all have presets. So you have to cycle through where there's no preset standard. So you have to start, at a lower setting here. So real quick, I'm just gonna go to 20 PSI to show you guys for one of the mowers there. But this little piece gets screwed in here. Again, guys, it has been a while. Very busy, as you all know, and you all should be right now. Just posting this video because they went out of the way to send this to us. So I'm going to make sure, they at least get a review for it. If a company sends you something. Again, I have the setting at 20 PSI, and it'll show you on here once it's plugged in what the current PSI is at on the machine you're using. So nice, right in the sun, of course. So spin this in here. This is on one of our Skags, on the only Skag we'll ever have. So this is currently at 18 PSI. So I want to get to 20. I know it's all how this digital stuff works, but 18, 20. Power button, press once. And it stops when you set it. So that's at 20 PSI. Again, to hold that power button is the way you turn it off. Hold that in. Now the machine's off. Again, that's really it, guys. On the back side here, you can see that's where you charge it in the wall, the vehicle adapter, and the USB for your phone. Like I said, I used this for like 2 weeks just to kind of throw it out there and make sure it worked before I took the time to make a video, and it wouldn't work, just to make sure, but it did work. All these little tools are great. You know, if you have a bunch of machines and a bunch of vehicles, you know, it's so much easier than pulling out a compressor. It really is. And you know how loud those things are at 7 a.m. So again, guys, this is nothing fancy. Auxito, the company's name is, sent this to us, so I wanted to make sure I at least return a favor by posting a video about them. Positive. Again, I don't know where they're based out of, or if this is, you know, like a high end or low end. I have no idea, but it works. I used it for 2 weeks straight, once on the dump truck and a handful of times on the mowers, checking them in the morning, and then just right now for this video. So again, Auxito is the name of the company. So far so good. This is kind of just like a quick little unboxing slash how-to video. So alright guys, if you're in the market for something like this, so far now for 2 weeks it's worked for me. Again, these are good to have in the truck with you, or having like a go bag. So alright guys, catch you later. Thanks for watching.